Well, hey everybody. I'm up at Friendly Hobbies. There's Steve and Bryan shop. The drum set in blue. I love that color. But anyway, I picked up a little sumo, jumping sumo made by Parrot. And same company makes AR Drone. And anyway, it's got a app here that you can use to run everything. And it's a kind of cool little beast. So we're just going to play around here with it a little bit. It's kind of like anything else. You just tilt your phone and it turns and you go forward, give it throttle to go forward. And it's even got a little camera on it. I don't know if you'll be able to see there, but you can see it's going across the floor in the shop, and I'm just angling the phone to get it to do different directions. Come back over here to us. You can see there. Now, one thing I'm going to do, you push this one button right here. And it turns over. And we're going to jump. Don't know if you saw that. Let's do it again. Right on the helipad. That makes it flip over and upside down. Makes all kinds of weird little noises too.
It does.
Yeah. It doesn't like the carpet.
No.
Okay, we're going to put the wheels in. Now that's the other mode. They say that you can put the wheels in like that and it actually gets going a lot faster. And
Oh my gosh.
here, get it on that pad.
Caught on the thing. You want to do it on this, on the concrete over here?
Yeah, it's spinning out now on that.
That is really cool. Yeah.
No matter what, it comes right back up on its wheels.
Just came out with a new control for your phone. You can see on it. Little camera in front. Yeah, it's weird. Man, he's seeing all that with these cameras everywhere. And it jumps.
The little FPV.
Yeah.
Chase the dog around with FPV.
Go into the house and you see what's in there. Yeah. Before a bomb or something. Yeah, or see what, you know, they can kind of shoot the squash. Ooh.
That's hilarious. And it's also got, there's a record button on here and a snapshot button. So you can actually record the video and you can also take snapshots while you're riding around. So it's pretty cool.
New toy.
Pretty cool.
We'll get to Scott. It's Parrot, you know. You know, the makes the AR drone. Oh, that thing that we did yesterday. Oh, it's same company. Same company, yeah. They sell them. Yeah. Oh, do they? That's where they started, wasn't it, last time? Oh, you made it do a little, that was
Look at
cool.
that. Makes some funny noises too.
Yeah, it does.
And it just flips itself right back over.
Yeah. You were drifting on the
Yeah, I saw that. Yeah, I'd be curious to see, well, let's see here.
Does it reverse? Doesn't need to, does it?
Yeah, it reverses. There's forward. There's reverse. I want to see if it'll,
How
Yeah.
far further?
yeah, give us video up through the hallway. Oop. I just ran into the wall, but it,
It's really cool. Is it still connected good?
yeah. I'm almost up to the front counter. Oop, just ran into the wall again.
You just lose control of it?
No, I just ran into the wall.
He's got full-on Wi-Fi.
This is pretty cool.
It's cool.
I'm up at the front desk. I'm right behind Tyler now.
That's awesome.
What's all the way in here? It's under the paint can. Wow. Did you lose control?
No?
Still?
Yeah, I made it jump.
Yeah.
Yeah, it ran all the way up here.
Is red when it's recording?
No, I think what happened is it lost Wi-Fi, and so it went red, showing that
Oh,
it had
okay.
lost Wi-Fi. Too funny. Oh, you got to put a SIM card in
Oh, for recording?
the Sumo for it's got animations. Slow shake, metrodome,
Oh, that was cool.
spin, tap. It just taps the back of it. Slow shake, metronome, and ondulation. Pretty cool stuff, guys. Pretty cool stuff.
And that slows it down by pulling them out, huh?
Yeah, it makes it more stable, they say. Well, thanks for watching, everybody.